My name is Shiraz Khan and I'm school leader. Yes.
Are there any classifications, lenses, or special certifications that are important for someone in your field?
Yeah, what's your question? Yeah, it's very important. Being a profession, I'm now a school leader, you can call me a head. So to reach to this criteria is very important. I have done a lot of certificates, lot of there are so many. You can call as a teacher. I did PGCC in 2009, then lab in 2014, then DLM course in 2015, and then LDP. LDP is basically school leadership and management certificate. So I did it, and then ITTE, initial teacher training, like as a teacher educator, I did it in 2018, and then Cambridge course CIE. So a lot of certificate and a lot of courses to be a professional. Okay. Yes.
How does your job help people?
My job helps people because I think that I'm a facilitator. I try my best to facilitate my student, facilitate my teacher, facilitate my parents. So I think that my designation is a very important role in the whole community. Sit down. Yes.
What advice would you give to someone who wants to be a professional?
Yeah, I will suggest to, generally whenever I ask from any of the child, any of the students, they always want to be a doctor or engineer, and a very minor student they select that I will be a teacher. So teacher is a very respectful profession, and I will suggest that you also come in this line. You can say nation builders.
How does your job make you feel?
I feel very proud. It's a very respectful job, and I always enjoy my work. And if there is any deficiency in my job, any area of development, I always try to fill the gap. Yes.
What's a typical day like for you?
Difficult days when you are being the school head, there is a lot of responsibility. So sometimes it's difficult to manage the time. Early in the morning when I come to school, I just make a list to prioritize it. Sometimes I see morning assembly, it's a good or not. Then I check the teacher, then I check the student, and then the parents sometimes concerns that my child is not progressing. Sometimes regional office call me. So there are a lot of things. The difficult thing that sometimes I unable to manage the time.
What steps did you take to advance in your career?
The steps which I have taken is very clear because I have a lot of international certificates, and international tutors guided me and supported me. So this step that whenever the city school provide me the opportunity for training, I always accept it.
What kind of skills do you need to be successful in your job?
Yeah, the skills that I'm a good communicator, but one skill that I want to develop is about more like a monitoring person. That I want to be like a monitor more. Yes.
What's your favorite part about your job?
My favorite part about my job is when I train my teacher. I think you asked one question.
Yes, I did it.
You also.
No, I also.
I want some new person to ask a question. Yes.
Are there any special collaboration tools or strategies that you see?
Yeah, collaboration is a very important. Remember, why sit down? Why sometimes the teacher tell you to be in a group? because it's a collaboration. It's a collaborative learning. Sometimes the students are unable to understand from teacher, then you are able to understand from your fellow. Thinking that I'm the only person, I'm also learning from my teachers. Like this is the collaboration that you learn from one another.
How long did it take you to complete your training or education?
As from 2020, 2006 I'm here, and now today is 2024, so almost 19 years I'm in this field. Yes.
If you could switch jobs with anyone for a day forever, who will it be?
No, I want to be in the same field because I did a lot of work in this field, so I want to be an educationist.
If you could go back in time and give advice to younger self, what would it be?
I want to be in the same field.
What time do you usually start and do workout?
Obviously, at the start when I wake up early, I take a bath and then offer my morning prayer, and then my first priority one early to get up. It's very important to get up early when you sleep on time. So I always sleep on time till 10, maximum 10:30, not more than this. Because I keep the timing that being a person I need 8 hours sleep or 7 hours mandatory sleep. So when I sleep early on time, I will get up on time. So my alarm 5:30. 5:30 I get up and then take a bath, brushing my teeth, and take breakfast, offer my Fajr prayer and recite verses from the Holy Quran, and then change my uniform, my dress code, and before whenever I change my dress at night before sleep, I check my dress. Okay, tomorrow I'm wearing this dress for my school. It's ready. I just check my shoes as well, because in morning time, sometimes due to shortage of time, I unable to polish my shoes. So before sleeping, I just make sure that my shoes are ready, my uniform is ready. Yes, ready. And then in morning time it's easy, only just wear and then come to school. And another thing is the same. I'm having car as well, so by bike, I'm using bike because of the congested and crowded roads. So I just check my bike as well at daytime. Whenever I stay, I always check my bike and it's working, because early in the morning, if there is any issue with my bike, I will unable to reach my school. So these are the planning which I am expecting from your side as well. Health is very important. If your food is good, your sleep is good, you are healthy, you can perform well. But if your food is not good, you are using junk foods, or you are preferring chemicals, juices, you will not grow. So it's for physical and for mental health, it's very important that your diet is a healthy diet. Healthy diet? Because you're studying students as well. Your proper science, your proper balanced diet. You know very well what you will eat in your breakfast, your lunch box. Yeah, next question please, you.
Would you recommend your job to others? Why?
Obviously. Why? Because it's a very important job. It's a very important job. All of the professions, you are engineer, doctors, pilot, commissioned officer, army officers, everyone will pass from here, from school. So it's a very important role. Obviously, I will select this, that you also join. Yes?
How many hours do you work?
Yeah, it's a very important question. From 7 to 7:15 when I reach to school, now you count, I stay till 4, sometimes till 4:30. Now you count the time from 7 to 4. Can anyone count the hours? Yes.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 1, 2, 3, 4.
How much?
9.
Yeah, 9 hours I work. Next question. No, just new person. Yes.
What's the most challenging part about your job?
The most challenging part is when your parents come to me and they say that my child is not progressing. We are paying this much fee. Why my son is and my daughter is unable to learn? So this is the most challenging thing that I satisfy your parents that we are working. Our teachers are working. These are the areas and we are supporting. Yes.
What's the most important thing you have learned from the job?
The most important thing that I have learned from my job is dedication with your work. It's very, very important. When I joined teaching, and a lot of people were criticizing me that you are working in private organization, you are a teacher, move forward or this or this. But then what I did? I was dedicated with my work. So I advise you as well that being a student, be dedicated. Being a profession, dedicated with your profession. Feel proud, enjoy your work. Be honest. Honesty is also very important. Your parents are sending you for the study. If you are unable to study or you are not listening, it means that this is dishonesty. So this is being an honest student. Your role is that honestly you reach, honestly you learn from here. Yes, next.
Do you work with team, and if so, what's your role?
Yeah, as a team, my role is very clear. I'm not focusing on one man so that only I stay. I always listen my staff and I want that I also work with my team. Together we work.
How many hours do you work?
How many?
How many hours?
9 hours. 9 hours. Yes.
What's a difficult day like for you?
Difficult day was like difficult.
Typical.
My typical is a different word. At home, I enjoy my this typical time with my family. New one.
How does job you feel?
I feel proud. I feel relaxed on my job. I feel happy. Yes. Okay, now any question from your side? Are you satisfied?
Yes.
What you have done?
Profession.
One by one. What you have done? Education is important. Yes.
Profession.
What you have learned about profession? You have learned about my duties, my roles.
I have learned that how people struggle for their job.
Yes. For struggling for the job is important. It's not easy to reach to this place. Yes.
Sir, how the people get professions?
How the people get profession, your student's life, and then you enter the practical life, and then you see the world in different ways. Don't waste your time. Yes. To keep you healthy, you will sleep early, and then you will get up early, and then you take breakfast. Yes. Healthy diet. And before coming to school, you will check your bag.
Yes.
At night, before sleep, you will see your uniform.
Yes.
You will polish your shoes.
Yes.
When you get up, when you go to the washroom, you would prefer to brush your teeth, to
Yes.
clean your face properly. If there is a warm water is available, you can take bath as well on daily basis. Yes.
Can you check your car?
Yes. the conveyance, I'm coming to school on my bike or sometime on my car, I always check it because it's very important. The same if you are coming in your chinchi, you will tell the chinchi driver that my timing is 8 o'clock, so I must want to reach to 8 o'clock. Thank you so much.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Take care. Take